car to take a look at. 1964 Dodge Polara 500. Two-door hardtop. Big block power underneath the hood. Wait till we get that baby popped open. 426 max Wedge powered. Casting number 24067301. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures too. Now take a look at the bright work. Chrome. Headlight surrounds. Definitely shows nice up front. This is originally a red car. You can see paint also shows nice on it. Steel wheels. Bias tires for that era correct look. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the bright work up and down the side of this. Haven't really noticed much for any dings, nicks, scratches. You might have a couple real small little touch-up spots, but this car was in the same ownership for the last 15 years in a gentleman's collection. As you can see, red vinyl interior, center console. That 426 max Wedge is paired up with automatic transmission. Shift around the floor. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the rear bright work, chrome. Taillight surrounds, again, chrome showing well in the rear, bright work on the deck lid. You'll be able to see pictures in the trunk. Again, with the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description if you're watching on YouTube. We'll go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side again. Bright work, see how it lines up. Nice fit and finish on that. Take a look at the door gaps. Say there's probably 100 or more pictures of this car online, so you can see it from every angle, top to bottom. Also see the vinyl interior in as nice a shape as the exterior. Front buckets really don't show much wear at all. Take a look at the door panel. The car has been nicely restored. Headliner matching the condition of the rest of the car. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can see it run, and we'll check out that engine bay. See, it fires right up. Oil pressure gauge is working. Also notice the alternator gauge working. Did not notice the fuel gauge move, FYI. Wipers do work, horn works. Came down here and I did check the tach. Did not notice the tach working or the blower fan, FYI. Dash, also in nice shape. Not sun-baked, checked or anything like that. Let it idle here a little bit, warm up. Nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back. A little rumble coming out of that exhaust. When we pop the hood, you'll be able to see why. Alright, slip up to the front of this. I'm going to pause this video just a second. Let's check out that engine bay, see what we got going on under there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Oh, look at this. Finished off nicely under here also. There it is. 426 max Wedge. Nice and tidy engine bay. You'll be able to see the fender tag right here in the still pictures. You'll also be able to check out the VIN tag in the still pictures. also turn some heads with your local roll-ins, cruisings, into your shows. Cool looking Mopar. 1964 Dodge Polara 500. Two-door hardtop, that max wedge underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.